to Asem Code. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn how to install and use scikit-learn, a machine learning in Python. It is simple and efficient tool for predictive data analysis. So we are going to install it and see a simple example of its use. To install, I will use command pip3 install with the -u option scikit learn. Now the installation is complete. I will just clear the screen and now going to write our script to use scikit. I will name it scydemo.py and from sklearn we'll import datasets, and then I'm going to load the house prices dataset. It's gonna be house price and use data sets dot load and get the house prices for Boston. And now just simply print the data by using print and then house underscore p dot data and just save it. To run our script, just need to type Python 3 and scydemo.py and hit enter. And you can see the data over here. So this is the way to install and learn a simple example of scikit-learn in Python. Its application example includes such as spam detection, under classification, image recognition, regression such as stock prices, clustering, customer segmentation, grouping, experiment outcomes, and so on. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Asimcode. Keep supporting me and thank you for watching.